Guys, I'm out here putting bag talk, belt to ass. Look at the score. Look what the score at. Can y'all see the score? What's the score at? What the score? Right there. There go the score. Look at the score.
That's what they do when they win.
Huh? What? Oh, I could have got it right there? Oh, that's the score? Oh, hold on. Let me show y'all the score. Hold on. Look at Brown. Look at Brown. Ooh, look at Brown. BTA. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. Hey, fellas, what am I doing?
BTA.
BTA. BTA, belt to ass.
I said, yeah, you can call it something now.
Hey, my man, what am I doing? What am I doing?
Nothing. You ain't doing nothing.
Oh, Fudge got him gone.
Oh, Fudge got him gone.
269 classic cars. Come take a ride with us, we got it all. Hot rods to muscle cars. A ton of dream cruise class. I like that 66, no, but that C8 to go to fast. Chevelle on 4G auto rims. 101 whips, these ain't average. 269, 269 classic cars. 269, 269 classic cars.
Hey, we can video. Hey, happy birthday to Sean today. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. Tell Sean happy birthday. He out here in the winter time in the drop top. Ooh, look at that thing right there. In a drop top. Ooh, look at that man right there. Go on, Sean. Ain't no snow out here. Ooh, what's she doing? About to hit me.
269 classic.
Hold on, say it again. Whoa, say it again, folks. What?
Classic car.
Hey, there you go. Hey, man, y'all be safe. Hey, man, I'm sorry I had to do that to y'all in bowling tonight. All right, where we at? I just want to let y'all check my man out in that old Cutlass. Man, it's cold. It's cold. Yeah, y'all, I just went in here and spanked them in some bowling, because that's what I do, you know. Whoop them down. Beat them in bowling. What up, Trap? Hit the lock, baby. Hit the lock. Ooh, look what Trap got. Look what Trap got. Happy birthday. Hey, say what up, 269 classic car.
What up, though?
What up, though? We got. Where we going? I got a video shoot going. Uh-oh, nigga, my dog got me a pie. Ooh, look at this pie right here. Look at my dog got me a pie right. Oh, where my pie? Ooh.
No, your sister got you the
My
pie.
sister got me a pie. He ain't got me nothing.
Yeah,
my sister got me the pie.
I didn't make this one.
Thank you, sis. I appreciate it.
I am a baker,
but he ain't do this.
I didn't do this.
He didn't do this. Hey, hold on, man. I got a question, man. Hold on, man. Hold on. Let me set that down. Hold on. What Meese at? Meese. Hold on. There's my dog Meese right there. Say, Meese, I got a question.
What up, though?
Oh, let me turn. I got a question. Hey, Mom, where you going? What are those? What are those? Hey, my man. What are those, man?
Oh, them just the winter tires,
Them
man.
just the winter tires?
Them just for the winter. Hey,
What is those,
hey,
man?
one thing about you still see that Chevy sign on the front.
Where the
you know
lights
what I'm
at? Don't see no
saying?
light. Well, I thought you light up at night.
Hold on. You wanna see
Oh, I see the Chevy sign.
Hold on, you want to see it light up too?
Oh, you hit the phone? You do that on the phone?
Let me show you.
Okay.
Oh, that's what you want.
Yeah, okay. Let me see.
Let me show you
You got
something.
a whole lot of motherfucking Tekashi 6ix9ine on your phone,
Oh
man.
no,
What's
it
going
ain't.
on?
It ain't.
I
It
see
ain't
a
too much
whole
tonight. That's
lot.
what you want to see it light up. Oh, it light up from the phone.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. Hey,
What?
front two though.
For the front, what happened right there? What's that?
That
Oh, somebody
I
getting
have
busy
nothing
out
to do
here.
with that. Did you see it light up in the front too?
Oh, okay.
Oh, come here though. You want to see something else?
Man, hold that. Oh, hold on. Oh, he cutting up. Do it then. Spin that, mom.
Okay.
Okay then.
Hey, Mr. Brown.
Huh? Hold on. What this dude talking about? What this dude talking about, y'all? What he talking about?
Go right.
Go Lions, that's right.
Hey, here you go. Oh, it light up in the inside.
It light up in the inside. Hold on, man.
Oh, yeah. You can see it.
Hold on. You talking about that? Oh, look at that. What's that right there? Ooh.
What's that?
Okay. All right, red rum den.
Hey, look in the back, too, though.
What in the back?
Look up under the back seat.
Oh, this dude, he's showing out. Let me see what he's talking about in the back seat. Okay. I see you.
So when you meet him, greet him with that ghetto.
Oh, you got some sounds in here too, huh?
Oh, got a little bass, too, though.
You got a little bass, I heard that.
Little bass in there.
Okay. Oh, big screen action, huh?
That ghetto style.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, what my pad though?
Don't get let me see that other side.
It's on the back of the truck.
Yeah, smack it.
Oh,
Feel the jig.
look at that. Hey, that's that dude with that 6'6". What you driving? You got a 6'6" what?
Oh, 66 Catalina. See you. Hey, I'll see you in 2026.
With a 66?
66 on the back of this big 2500.
Yeah.
40s on both of them.
Mix, you hear that? I'll see you in 26 with a 66 Catalina with 4Gs on it. But in the meantime, what are those? All right, man. Give my pie, man. Hey, man, I holla at y'all, man. I'm out of here, man. Hey, man. Who was that? Somebody trying to do something? Hey, 269. Where am I? 269 Classic Cars. We up out of here, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think about my bowling. Oh, y'all didn't even see my bowling, man. I didn't even record it, man. I kicked these guys' butt in bowling tonight, man. Tore them up, man. Hey, we out of here though. We gone.
269 classic cars. 269 classic cars.
500 miles.
500 miles.
That's what the summer's
Look at him. Look at him, man. He happy now. Look at him. Damn.
Hey, what is that? Hey, Mr. Brown.
I wasn't expecting that. What was all that back there?
Yeah.
That's some power. Okay. Now,
Sorry, I didn't mean to get y'all fumed up in there, Alec.
how much horsepower you got, sir?
He say about 500, man. You know, just a little light
A
something.
little light something. It sounds good.
Ready to drop this thing off again?
I'm probably just gonna have to put it in the neutral.